Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th mathematics, chapter number 14 aesthetics, most important question for the TS in AP. Okay, now so this is our last chapter of mathematics. We are going to see all the 1 mark question and the 4 mark question and 2 mark questions. Okay, so let's start from here. So this is your 1 mark question only. So let's see this. So I'm going to see this everything fast as soon as it's possible for me. So something, if I go something faster, so you can decrease the video speed. Okay, now go to the 3 dot, you can see, and there is the speed is there normal, so you can increase or decrease the speed of video from there. Okay, sixth one you can see, then 7th, 8th and 9th one, and then 10th and 11th. Okay, is it clear for you? Right, so you can see here from that one is it given here, and what are the or give curve is it given here. Okay, so then after 2 mark question is starting from here, you can see, and that is the answer. I have to make something small because it is not clear for you, so it is clear, otherwise you see that one here, and that's the answer here. Okay, now right, so let's see this here, the mean mark of marks for 9.3. okay, so second one you can see, third one is it question is it, and that's the answer. Okay, is it clear for you? And fourth one you can see. Okay, fifth one you can also see, then sixth one you can see. Well, then after seventh one you can see also, the mean of the flowing distributive is 53, and that's one. All right, here you can see. Then eighth one you can see, right? Then is it here ninth one, and that's the prepare list, and that's one. And there is it daily income, worker, upper limit, and here is the greater than the cultivated frequency, and that's the 10th question, medium of the data. Okay, is it okay? Right, so let's see the 11th one here, prepare class interval frequency follow table. Okay, now then here you can see 12th, in the calculation of the mean problems x equals to 2 and something is it given, so you can see here. Okay, right, so is it clear for you? Then see the 4 mark question, the following distribution given in the daily incomes of 50 workers of the factories, and here it is. Okay, right, so this is the graph of that one, so I already made this graph and I pasted here, so you can see that one, and then after here, and that's one you can see, and here you can see that one, right? So then after third one you can see. Okay, then fourth, in a retail's market, fruit to vendors and something is it given, but by the way you have to see this one, so let's see this one here. Next, fifth one you can see, the flowing table given in the literacy rate. Okay, is it clear? Well, sixth one also you can see, the flowing data given the information of the observation. Okay, here you can see. Then seventh, and here find the mode of the data, not mood. Okay, eighth one here, then here you can go medium. Right, ninth one you can see, the flowing data, the information of the observation life. Okay, then that's one. Then next you can see this, and then 10th, draw the objects, curves and the flowing. Okay, here, then after you can see this one is graph here also. Okay, na? So then after you can see 11th one, class interval, and this is graph again here. Okay, so then after 12th one you can see during the medical check and the student certify, and then after you can see here also draw a list type of objects, and then after you can see that one, it is also a graph here. Okay, so if it is also graph, then see the 13 one here, the following table is produces L3. Okay na, and then after here it is the solution of that one. Okay, and then after again it is a graph here, and if it is graph is clear, then see the multiple choice question. So well, actually this is a multiple choice question. I hope it is easy for you, because multiple choice question is very easy. Okay, so you can see this one. Okay, medium of the 17 and 31, 12 and 27, 15 and 19 and 23. Okay, so 15 you can see if the mean of the 6 and 7 x y equals to, and here it is a key concept. Then after here it is a fill in the blanks. Okay na, right? So you can see that's one, 3 to 12th one you can see, otherwise class mark you can see that one. So 12 to 15 you can see. All right, so you can see 16 to 19 also, that's one. Okay, right? So then after you can see the keywords also. So here it is the keywords of that one, all the multiple this fill in the blanks. I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you, and best of luck for examination, and I hope you don't have any kinds of doubt regarding this paper, and this is the last mathematics paper. Okay, so if you want to check all the chapter wise papers, you can click on the description and check out from there. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you, and we will meet another video. Jai Hind.